was train only tunnel. Late 90s, tourism started to take off, and so they decided they needed a more efficient way to get people in and out of Whittier. And they thought about drilling a new tunnel, but too expensive, too time consuming. So they retrofitted this tunnel. The old tunnel had no lighting, no ventilation, no drainage. The rock walls were always crumbling, and so they shored up everything. They added drainage in there to keep it from flooding. Put lights in and put 2 jet turbines in to get the exhaust out. They cemented in between the tracks and on the sides of the tracks so that vehicles could drive safely through the tunnel. And they added 8 safe rooms.